Hello, trading is closed on December 23rd, 2014. I'm Tennant. Let's change the order around a little bit today and start by reviewing what mejt's system said during the day. Early on, it said ultimately lower prices would print and higher prices would print. The thick lines gave its predictions for the targets. We undercut the price dictated by the ultimate sell signal. The target was satisfied at the white dot, and there was support under that price. The color-coded target for the buy was here. We satisfied that target at the white dot, and there was resistance over the target. So those worked today. There's no new mejt target for tomorrow, and that forces me to use other stuff and review what I said yesterday. Well, I was looking for a high in this area, and I'm going to stick with the call, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. First of all, this is a pattern during the day, which typically starts out low and rallies all day and closes near the high. When there isn't a close near the high, it usually has negative follow-through. It's particularly negative when we have a gap up and we close under not just the initial high, but all the highs we made since then. It shows a rejection of the gap up. The signal can be invalidated by having a gap over this high. I'm not totally convinced the high of the move is in, although it certainly could be, and I still have not acted on my prediction. Well, we have some more sell signals from time to mark. This time on the 65-minute chart, we have a sequential sell for the blue 13. I need one more rally to get the combo sell. This pattern doesn't have to go to completion. It frequently does, though, and it's one of the reasons I think one more fling up can't be ruled out. Longer term, we have a gap, although you can't see it on this chart too well. We have a gap right here at this low, and a gap from a hole in the wall, a gap fills. It has a strong tendency to fill at some point, no matter how high we go in the meantime. That was on the 17th of the month. That's this price here. If we do fill the gap here, it would mean that despite hitting all kinds of new highs, we have undercut every low we've made since July. This is a possible Eve rounded top. This could be Adam. It doesn't have to go to completion, but if it's Adam, it implies a rapid move down to this level. For the reasons I've said, undercutting this level again would not be good. I think one can read this as a cup with a handle sloping up. This was the price about 2061, where I thought the move was really over. 2065, I think. No, 2061. We've gone up maybe 1% since then, but it's not changed my mind. I think we're close to a major high. And even though I haven't acted on it yet, I think it could come pretty soon. I think that the mejt targets, including 2063.53, will print fairly soon. And I still think the market's in real trouble. And that's today's call.